Donald Trump signed an executive order claiming to restore gold standard science in America, but someone should tell the author of the Make America Healthy report because ChatGPT isn't gold standard science. RFK, our anti-vaccine activist Secretary of Health and Human Services, unveiled the MAHA, still embarrassing to say, the Make America Healthy Again report, a report that details what he sees as the priorities and causes of poor health in America. You'll see nothing about poverty, lack of access to healthcare, guns, the leading cause of death for children in America. Nothing about Republican efforts with their tax and spending bill to take healthcare and food assistance away from millions of people. Nothing about that. And now, because of essential reporting from NOTUS, we're learning that the sources cited in this MAHA report, they're made up. Many of them. They don't exist. They are citing scientific research that does not exist. Quote, Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. says his Make America Healthy Again Commission report harnesses gold standard science, citing more than 500 studies and other sources to back up its claims. Those citations, though, are rife with errors, from broken links to misstated conclusions. 7 of the cited sources don't appear to exist at all. Epidemiologist Catherine Keyes is listed in the MAHA report as the first author of a study on anxiety in adolescents. When NOTUS reached out to her this week, she was surprised to hear of the citation. She does study mental health and substance use, she said, but she didn't write the paper listed. Quote, the paper cited is not a real paper that I or my colleagues were involved with. Keyes told NOTUS via email, we've certainly done research on this topic, but did not publish a paper in JAMA Pediatrics on this topic with that co-author group or with that title. And at the time of this video, NOTUS says HHS hasn't responded to their request for comment. And it's probably because how damning this reporting is, and it gets worse. Quote, the anxiety study wasn't the only one the report cites that appears to be mysteriously absent from the scientific literature. A section describing the, quote, corporate capture of media highlights 2 studies that it says are, quote, broadly illustrative of how a rise in direct-to-consumer drug advertisements has led to more prescriptions being written for ADHD medications and antidepressants for kids. The catch? Neither of those studies is anywhere to be found. Oh my God. It is so bad. If you are someone who has said, I agree with RFK about this or that, please stop. This man is dangerous. And the evidence for this reality grows with each day that passes.